In this lesson, we will learn to form CVC words with the vowel sound of the letter O, which is O. O. This lesson is a continuation of the CVC Words series. The links for the previous lessons on what are CVC words and CVC words with other vowel sounds are provided in the description below. I assume that you are familiar with the phonetic sounds of all the alphabets and have been introduced to blending the sounds to form simple words. So, let's begin. As you see, I have separated the vowels and arranged them on one side and the consonants on the other. For this lesson, we are going to consider the short vowel sound of O, which is O. O, as in orange. O, as in octopus. In creating CVC words, the V or vowel is the middle sound. So we will fix the O sound in the middle. Let's pick our consonant sounds from the consonant list here. We can pick 2 consonants from here to make our word. I am going to pick the P sound for my first word. Now I have the sounds P and O. If I try to blend them, it sounds like paw, paw. I can make an easy word if I use the T sound. So, let's read P, O, T, pot, pot. Perfect. Let's do another one. For our next word, let me swap the letters P and T. So we put P in the place of T and T in the place of P. And it reads as T O P, top, top. Easy, right? Okay. Let's use both these words in a sentence. The pot is on the top of the shelf. Okay, the next word. I am going to replace T with the sound of M, which is M. If I try to blend them, M, O, P, mop, mop. Great. For our next word, let's pick L and G and try to blend and read. It reads as L, O, G, log, log. For our next word, let's change the first consonant sound, remove L and add J. And it reads as J, O, G, jog, jog. Now, for our next one, let's pick the first sound as B and the next letter as X with the sound X. And it reads as B, O, X, box, box. Let's do another simple word. I will change the first sound to F. It reads as F, O, X, fox, fox. Let's go over all the words one more time. Let's go over all the words one more time. Pot, top, mop, log, jog, box, fox. It's easy, right? Just play around with different sounds to make more words. And remember, all the words you form need not make sense. Just read them using the phonetic sounds. We will form more words using another vowel sound in our next lesson.